I'm so excited to be filming today's video for you guys. So I wanted to do a video for you guys on my top 5 beauty products worth the price tag. I know in the beauty industry, there's makeup, skincare, hair, tools. There's so many different products and they're getting to be a little super pricey nowadays. But I want to bring you my top 5 that I feel are worth the price, that are going to be great quality, last you a long time. So if you want to see what my products are, then keep watching. Okay, first, hello. Can we just talk about her? This is the Beauty Bear Pillow by Nurse Jamie. I have my little Leppy pillowcase on right now. So the price for this is $69. If you do get the memory foam one, it's going to be $79. This is 1,000,000% worth it. Like 1,000,000,000,000,000% worth it. I've had this pillow for over 3 years now, and I originally bought this at the Nurse Jamie Beauty Park Spa here in Los Angeles. It's in Santa Monica. And I had heard a lot of things about this. I'm a side sleeper. I don't know why I can't sleep on my back. I either sleep flat on my face or on my side, and then my shoulders are pretty uneven from sleeping on my side. But that's besides the point. My point is, if you're a side sleeper, you can mash your face into the pillow and it can cause premature wrinkles around your eyes. You can have a little volume loss in the face. So she designed this pillow for a side sleeper. So when you sleep, you can flip it over. So I either sleep this way or this way, depending on which side you face. This side here sits on your face like here, so that around your eye area there's no pressure. You go in here as well. Also, if you sleep on your back, then you can use this part and it can go boom like this. Am I so cute? Okay, so the whole purpose of this is to take the pressure off the face. Another thing is that all her pillowcases are silk. Now, I know you probably know the slip pillowcases, the silk pillowcase trend. It's been around for years. Obviously, it's good for your hair. It won't mat up your hair. It's good for your skin. It's good for everything. So that is amazing to have a silk pillowcase on your pillows. But this one is a silk pillowcase on this shaped pillow. So that's really going to help your hair, your skin, everything. It's going to prevent aging. It's going to keep you fresh. I've gotten my aunt to get one of these. I got one for my sister. They both are obsessed just as much as me. I use this every single night. It comes in a little bag with a zipper, so when I travel, I take it with me. I pack it. It mashes down a little bit in your suitcase. 1,000,000% have to take it everywhere with me. My husband even loves this. He tries to pull it over on his side and sleep on it. It's like, no boo, I'll get you one yourself, okay? Just let me have my pillow. Thank you so much. So this is just the most incredible pillow. You're gonna get so much use out of this. If you buy this, guaranteed, you will never sleep on a regular pillow again. I used to wake up with so many neck problems from sleeping on my side, sleeping face down. I used to have so many problems. I have not had one neck ache when I wake up since using this. Also, my sister and I, we both talked about the fact that sometimes we wake up and we'll have creases around our eyes. They're not wrinkles, but they're just creases from you sleeping on it. And that has never happened since I've been using this. So I 1,000,000,000,000,000,000% recommend this to everybody, even if it's like someone like my husband. He just wants the pillow because it's comfortable. Also, a little bonus. So I got my ear pierced up here a few months ago, and it takes a long time for the cartilage to heal. So when I was having some pain and swelling in the beginning of getting it done, I just would arrange this pillow so that my ear would be sitting through this hole, and I didn't have the pressure on my ear either. So if you get a lot of ear piercings or you plan on getting ear piercings, it also works for that. I just can't say enough good things about this. I love this. Also, one last thing, I purchased the extra pillowcases. So when I bought mine, it came with a white pillowcase. You can choose it from a few different colors. But I bought a 2-pack of extra pillowcases. It's cheaper to buy 2. So one extra pillowcase is $19, but a 2-pack is only $26.50. So that's what I did. I got the black and the leppy. So now I have white, black, and the leppy one. And I like to wash these about every 2 nights or so. I'm always trying to change my pillowcase to prevent getting bumps on my face and just be sanitary. You can wash these in cold water and then hang them to dry. So that's also really good because some silk can be very sensitive. So this is my little baby. I take her everywhere with me. You have to get it. You just have to get it. It's worth it. I mean, $70 for a pillow, yes. I get it. I understand. But there are more expensive pillows out there, like memory foam ones, latex ones, special ones. There's even ear piercing ones that are even more than this. So like if you use this every single night for 4 years like me, that's literally nothing. That's pennies. Like that's nothing. If you're gonna use it, it's great quality. You can wash everything. So you're not gonna regret getting this. You have to. My next product is the Fresh Black Tea Firming Corset Cream. So it is for face and neck, but I purchased this as a neck cream. I have been looking for a neck cream for so long because for whatever reason, I have these 2 lines that go across here, and some dermatologists will say it's genetics. Some people call it tech neck. I believe it's tech neck. It's not from getting old because it's like my neck is firm, but I have the lines from like constantly looking down my phone, looking down my laptop. So I want to get rid of these lines. I originally was like, I'm just going to put filler in them, get them out of here. Like this is not cute for me. And I'm also on my little weight loss journey right now. So I'm trying to see like if it goes away with me losing weight. But I bought this neck cream. This is like one of the top rated neck creams. This one is incredible. The first time I ever used this, I saw a huge difference. This was like so rich and so amazing. It sunk into my skin instantly. I massaged it in an upward motion and I also pulled back this way. And I noticed just after 2 times using this neck cream that it made an amazing, huge difference. So this cream is $95. I don't think that's a lot for a really great high quality cream if you're using it for your face and neck. Me personally, I'm just using this as a neck cream. So for a neck cream, that could be a little expensive for some people. I feel like it's so worth it. The pot is so big, it's so rich. And honestly, I've seen results instantly with this. It makes my skin so soft, so supple, so firm. And I hope that over, you know, a 6-month period, it will help me take away these little lines. I know they're not super noticeable, but to me, it's like, it's annoying. So let's be honest, I'll probably just go get them filled soon. But like, we all need a neck cream to prevent aging. We need this. We always take care of our face, but we always forget our neck and chest. So this one I use specifically just on the neck and the little chest area. And I have my separate products that I use for my face. This, honestly, it's the best. You will love this. It has a light scent to it. If you're sensitive to scents, you can also use this. Buy this. You will love it. Get a neck cream. Don't neglect your neck. Don't neglect your chest, okay? Get a neck cream. You need it. You need it. Worth it. $95. Y'all probably go to Starbucks every morning, right? That's $5 a morning. Okay? 20 days of Starbucks can get you this little neck cream. Leave the coffee alone and take care of your little neck, okay? Do it. Just do it. Next, I have my favorite overpriced face product. Okay, I'm gonna butcher the name, so don't come for me in the comments. Do not. Do not. This brand is called AmoreVise. She has no clue what it's called, but it's from Hungary and it says Budapest on here. Lord, I don't know. Let me just tell you, this product right here, this is incredible, okay? This is an exfoliator. This will run you $95. Kind of a lot for an exfoliator, but this will last you a long time, okay? All you need is a little pea-sized amount, and you want to exfoliate maybe twice a week depending on how oily your skin is or how dry you are. So the reason I found out about this was I was at Bloomingdale's. I was shopping at the Space and Case section and the lady tried it on my hand, like this area here. Obviously, I was like, sold. Boom, sold. I rubbed it on. I first wet my hand. I rubbed a little bit of it on. Then I just went boop, 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 exfoliated, rinsed it off, my freaking hand was so bright. Like the skin was glowing. It felt so soft. And this smells amazing. It has like a dark teal color to it. It was incredible. Like you need this. Like any skin type can use this. You can use it on your chest, your neck, your face. It's honestly so incredible. This is just gonna be a really gentle exfoliator. The beads are very small. They're not rough, so it won't irritate your skin. But this is gonna brighten your complexion, make you super smooth, and exfoliate all those dead skin cells off. This is a really high-end line that they carry at Sephora online and also at Nordstrom's. And then obviously the Bloomingdale's Space NK has it. I had a little travel size of this when I had originally bought it, and that travel size alone lasted me months and months. So I know that this big old tube will last you a long time. This is an amazing investment. You guys need to invest in your skin, okay? Forget everything else. You can use, I'm not gonna say you can use drugstore makeup because I don't use drugstore makeup, so I can't really say that. So, you know, but like cut back on something and invest in your skincare. The products that are great quality and expensive like this, they're gonna last you a really long time. So you need this. Okay, moving on. Okay. Now I know you're gonna be like, why are you paying $54 for a body wash? Like why? Well, let me tell you why, okay? This LaRose body wash will change your life. 1,000,000% will change your life. Not over exaggerating, this is 1,000,000% worth it. So I used to work at the Benefit makeup store here in Los Angeles by the Beverly Center, and there's a LaRose store 2 doors down. Every single morning, I could smell the scent. I believe it was Santal that I would always smell. It's the greatest candle ever. It's like $75 for the candle. You need that too. Go to the LaRose store if there's one near you, or go to Nordstrom's or buy online from Nordstrom's as well. Get the Santal candle. That's the greatest scent. They make it in a candle, a perfume, everything. So I already knew of the brand because of the Santal candle. That was my favorite. And my husband and I, every time we go back home to the Bay, we always stay at the Fairmont. And the Fairmont carries the LaRose as all their little toiletry bath products. Like they have the shampoo, the conditioner, the body wash, all of it, right? So I used it there for the first time, I want to say 2 years ago. And I was like, what? I used the shampoo, the conditioner, the soap, the body wash, everything, the lotion. Okay, every time I go, I have like 8 million of the little poop-poops, little merps, the little travel ones that, you know, you can ask them for. Just like tip the maid and be like, can I get like 8 of them? So I kept doing that. And then eventually I was like, you just need to buy this, okay? Just buy the big one. So I just bought a new one the other day so it wouldn't be all nasty for you guys. Honestly, like, it will last you. It's the greatest. It's the greatest smell you will ever smell. It's not rose like your grandma rose or like roses. I just got a dozen roses. No. It's like roses with like oils and everything mixed in. So this is rich with vitamin E, olive leaf, and aloe vera. So it's gonna make your skin super soft. It's going to not strip any of the oils from your body. It's gonna get you so clean and you're gonna smell so good. And then if you want, they have the fragrance you can put on top of it, or you could use whatever fragrance you want. But one thing I want to mention about this is that if you're someone like me who's really trying hard to like transition certain products in your life into a more natural, you know, little, like trying to be more natural with your products. I'm really trying certain things. I'm sorry, I cannot give up. But I transitioned to like natural cleaning products. I'm trying really hard to transition all my body products because your skin will absorb 70% of what you put on it. So I'm really trying hard. My holistic doctor told me that I have a lot of toxins from the things I'm putting on my body, not in my body, but on my body. So like my perfumes, my lotions, all of that. So I'm really trying hard to just use this product and use more like natural perfumes. You need this. You have to get this. Like, sorry, it's $54, but like you could do it, girl. Save your coin. Get this, use it maybe twice a week starting off so you don't run out, but you need this. Go buy you this. Also, it's unisex, so tell your boyfriend or your husband, hey, like you should go buy this body wash, you'll really love it. And then like when he gets it for himself, then just like take it, use it in the shower. my last product you guys have actually seen on my channel before. This is the Mer Translucent Powder. I use this in my wedding makeup tutorial. This is $95 for a translucent powder. Don't hate me, don't kill me, don't roll your eyes at me, don't say, what is she doing? Don't do it. Don't do it. This is worth it, okay? This is worth it. The reason I found out about this was I was watching the Cezanne makeup tutorial for her wedding makeup. So that's what I got my inspo for my wedding makeup. And so I purchased this for my wedding. I used it to set my under eyes, set my face, and I was hooked instantly. If you use this, you'll find out like, okay, I know why it's $95 now. Like La Mer kind of needs to chill on their prices, but the quality is worth it. It comes with a little powder puff inside. It's a glass container, so the quality is really good. And this will last you a long time. Use it to set your whole face, use it to set your under eyes. You won't get flashback. It's very, very soft and velvety, and you can't even tell that you set your makeup with powder. It's incredible. It looks so good in photos. It looks so good in videos. Like, if you want to invest in a powder, you need this, okay? You need this. If you think about it, all the stuff I talked about today was under $100. So, is it really like a high price tag video? Like, maybe not. Everything's under $100. You will get you all this for $500. Like, don't do it at the same time, you know, like chill. But like, buy your favorites slowly, okay? But you need this. You want to step up your makeup routine? You want to look airbrush and flawless? You got to get this, okay? You just do it. Just do it. So that wraps up my video of my top 5 beauty products that are worth the price tag. They're all actually under $100. So it's not too bad. I could have went a little crazier and showed you some more expensive things. Maybe next time I'll do like an extreme edition. But these are some of my favorite things that I use on a daily basis. 1000% they're necessary. They're not stuff that will just sit there and you use it like once in a while. No, you will use these on a daily basis, and you will love it and you will enjoy it. So upgrade your life. Go buy these little products. You will love it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite product is to splurge on, or any high-end items that you think I should try. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming it, and I love sharing my favorites with you guys. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, okay? Because I see y'all out there watching the vids but not subscribing. So make sure you subscribe and hit the little bell, and then you'll be notified 3 times a week when I upload, because I'm out here grinding, uploading all these vids for you guys. I hope you're enjoying them. So thank you for stopping by. See you later.